What's up guys? Today is a pretty special day. We've been waiting to start on the Acura Legend since the day she bought it. But today we're finally doing the first step in modifying it. It's gonna be crazy. And it's gonna be kind of small to start with, but it's gonna snowball into something cool. So come along, it's gonna be awesome. Are you ready for this, babe?
Yes, I am.
It is downstairs and it is waiting for us. And we are a little late to our appointment, so we gotta go. Alexa, turn off lights. Nice when she listens. There's the Legend, in case you didn't know this was an actual car that existed. Like, I'm sure most of y'all have never seen an Acura Legend in the wild before. But that's Tien's daily car, and it's gonna start getting modded today. It uses a key for everything. You gotta lock the doors with a key and start it with a key. Amazing.
We're on our way to go see a friend work at a shop.
And we didn't take our allergy medicine.
I think it's okay. Mr. Stanley should be fine.
I hope so.
I'm more excited to go see Mr. Stanley. You guys will figure out who Mr. Stanley is. But yes, we're gonna start doing some small things to the car starting today.
And where are we going first?
We gotta go to Starbucks, my favorite place.
And can you add 3 pumps of white mocha and half to that?
Okay, anything else?
Can you get 2 of those?
Okay.
And butter
Had everything today.
And then also a butter croissant.
We'll see you at the end.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, how exciting! Oh, look at that. It's not even recording anymore. You guys should try this out if you also love Starbucks coffee. Maybe you could voice over this part. But I'm showing him the coffee. Okay, so we're at a shop. Introduce yourself, Steven.
Nah, that's a good name.
Y'all vlogging? I'm Tim's little brother.
There you go. Can you tell we look alike?
What are you getting done?
Can I roll my fenders?
Nice. And this guy rolls fenders for a living.
You're making him nervous.
I'm doing great.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
I'm modding it.
No, you're not modding. We're
Yeah.
just gonna see how it looks without the mud flap.
Mud flap delete. It's really popular in the truck scene.
Yeah, that's gross.
It just needs to be clean.
It's so gross. Yeah.
But it looks better.
Does it? You think so?
Probably.
I don't know. I mean, I'm already considering removing the mud flap, but still. Now I think he's cleaning. He removes the molding trim weird thing on it. He's a little shy. Excuse him. But tell us what you do here, Steven.
Nothing.
Okay, so he does nothing. But this is also owned by another guy named Steven. We're gonna see the best thing at the shop. Stanley! Mr. Stanley! Oh, meow! Mr. Stanley!
Oh, he's not here.
But Mr. Stanley is not here.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah, he's at his house.
You can't see her face, but she's actually crying right now. Look at that. That's the face of a missing Stanley.
I miss him so much.
Legend says he's somewhere out there.
He's at his other house.
Alright, you need to clean that. That's gross.
Yes. And so we're gonna put these wheels up for sale.
How much?
$5 billion. At least that's what I was told how much they worth.
How much?
$5 billion. Oh, and it comes with center cap, so don't worry. You know, it'll come with it. And
Gotcha.
maybe free shipping. So this is Steven, the other Steven that owns the shop. He's gonna be rolling the fenders.
He's not shy at all.
No, not like the other Steven. The one right there.
Did I leave the e-brake on?
No. Oh no. Is it on?
I have no idea. I'm not sure. Probably. Or is it in park?
So who's gonna get up there? Not I, Buttercup. Oh, okay. I was like, I'm afraid of height. Clear. If anyone's interested, there will be $3 billion plus shipping.
Plus shipping.
Yeah.
Starship balloon. mostly works on infinities though, as you can tell. And then his neighbor likes trucks. So in order to fit that fender roller in the fronts, because the brakes have a weird angle, that caliper needs to come off.
That's how we're airing out now. Bye, have a good day. So the fender has been rode.
And you're excited?
Yes, I am, because now we're about to do something else.
What is it? What are we doing?
Once we get home,
What are we doing?
you shall see.
Oh, Jesus.
I mean, just give us like 30 minutes and we'll be home and
or an hour, it depends on traffic.
yeah, but still, you guys get to see in like 1 second. Why did you put your stocks on?
I don't want to talk about it. I had to. Since the wheels are getting rebuilt, I only have 2 wheels ready to go. I think it looks better. You don't like it?
No.
Why not?
No.
It sits lower, isn't that what you wanted? I think it's perfect the way it is.
If you say so.
Do you want to tell them why my car's parked outside and yours is inside my garage?
We're gonna put some coilovers on this car.
No way.
Yes, we're gonna finally put coilovers on the car.
So it's gonna sit slammed to the ground?
No, it'll still be high enough for me to get over speed bumps at work.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What coilovers did you get?
I went ahead and got the K Sports. It was between K Sports or the D2s for the Acura Legends, and I just went with K Sports. I believe this is for the front. And these is for the rear. Sad that they don't have an adjusting camber plate. That's what I want, but it's okay. It's not like I'm a really stance out the car. I just want it lowered from where is it at now, so I can put some wheels on it.
I'm gonna hand you the camera because now I think it's all up to me, right?
Yes! Up we go.
We finally jacked up the car, took off the wheels. Hopefully they'll never see these hubs again. And the way the rear suspension's set up is the bolts go through the top. I end up finding out that they are actually behind the speaker cover on this rear dash right here. So we need to take off the seats and then this, and then hopefully we have access to it. There's not really any DIYs online because this car's so old, and if there is one, it's lost in the archives. We should be able to figure it out. It's only 3 bolts holding in a strut, so let's do this.
Wow, we're removing the seat for weight reduction.
Yeah, because race car.
Yeah, race cars.
Put this over here.
Wow, that is nasty. Gross. Ew, what is that?
What is that?
I think the previous owner has probably kids. There's like candy wrappers, chips. Damn, but I ain't got. Oh, look, is that a haul? Ew.
What year is that from?
It's all melted. Gross.
Can you put these next to the other bolts? Right there. Thank you. Oh, there we go.
No, my seats. Beautiful.
Wow, it looks great.
It's disgusting. I like the look. Can we just keep it like that?
I like it. Weight reduction.
I'm just kidding.
That's too late.
No.
Alright, so how are we going to do this? This we're tearing off.
Yeah.
This happened when somebody left their key in their car and locked it.
That person is definitely not me. But we're gonna try to fix it so it looks better.
Yeah, because this is an antique.
Yeah, because I'm planning on showing the car, hopefully.
And taking trophies.
I don't think so, but We'll see. But we just realized that we did not have to remove the back seat.
Yeah. We only needed to remove the speaker cover and the speaker, and then you have access
to get down there. But again, like we say, this is not a tutorial because we're
amateurs. We don't know nothing.
We're figuring this thing out as we're going. I'm fine with it. At least I know he's not gonna be messing up the back seat.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. The boat's is right down there.
It's a tight squeeze.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there.
Look what I found behind her seats. You see that right there? That's a windshield wiper. What is it doing behind the seat? I'm gonna leave it there and I'm gonna tell Tian to go see what's behind the seat and I'll record her reaction. Babe, go look behind the seats and tell me what surprise you see.
Surprise?
Yeah. There's a surprise behind the seats.
Behind the seat?
Yeah.
Like,
there's a part that shouldn't be there. I have a hint. It's black, it's long, and it has rubber attached to it.
this?
No, behind the seat.
Like, where? Like,
behind where the seats would be.
this?
Almost between that and the thing.
A wiper!
I know. Why?
How did this got back here? What in the world?
I know, that's what I was saying. You ready to see this thing jump out?
No.
Well, it's going to. Look at this thing. It's like 1.5 feet of suspension travel. If I remember correctly, the new coils are way shorter.
It looks pretty tiny on the camera.
Look at this.
Oh my.
It's like 1 foot shorter.
Oh my gosh.
You ready to be slammed?
No.
Oh man.
No.
I hope it's long enough to go all the way to where we need it. You like this height?
I think it'll work.
It's like 3 inches lower. It's actually pretty easy to put it in. There's like 1 bolt and then 3 nuts at the top. That was actually pretty quick. The rear suspension is in on both sides. And we also got the interior back together. I don't know why I went on this side, she's here.
I know.
But it's clean because Tian went all out and vacuumed everything and cleaned it all. Here, I'll go to the other side to show y'all. Are you proud of it?
Yes, it's so clean.
It's very clean. I left these off with the speakers because there's a dampening adjustment. And I want to make sure that she likes dampening before we go out and put everything back in. The suspension is on.
Yes.
You know what time it is? I don't think they know.
It's the wheel. It's the wheel.
And we're not putting on those ugly wheels.
They're not bad. They're stocks.
They're 15s and they're disgusting.
Wow, really?
I mean, look at the center caps. Where are they?
They're right there.
Look at those. They're bigger than your head. All right, let's go get your wheels.
Okay.
This thing looks different at night.
My other piece is just a Lancer,
They
not
saw
an
it.
Evo.
They
Oh,
saw
did
it.
they?
Yeah, I took it out to Home Depot, remember?
Nice.
Yeah. I'll show me.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
I'm here.
Wait, did you get your new lug nuts in?
No.
You can borrow mine if you want.
Okay.
Since my wheels are off the car. Look at these.
Beautiful.
They are work wheels.
There are 2-piece welded work wheels.
Do you think they're ready to see them? Or should they just wait for it to be on the car?
Let's just wait.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Put it back.
We gotta drive it, see how it sits.
That's kind of cute.
Yeah.
I think.
We might have to lower the rear more.
Possibly. I like how the front is sitting, but I wanted the rear to sit a lot lower.
Later.
How do you feel about it?
I like it, I think.
I think it looks cool.
Yeah. I mean, I wish I could go lower, but again, I have speed bumps at work and I'm not going to try to break anything.
I think it looks cool.
It's cute. It's very, very cute.
1 week later.
Once again, I forgot to shoot an outro in the last video. We brought the Legend out. As you can see in the back, most likely, we came with 2 cars because we wanted to shoot some TikTok videos and this outro. So without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all how the Legend sits now. It's been about a week since we did all the work to it. And we did end up adjusting the suspension in the rear to get it lowered. It took us about 2 tries to get it almost even. She's not 100% satisfied with it, but it looks a lot better than what you guys saw it last time. Let me show y'all. The front and the rear shows almost the same amount of tire. If you come back here to the rear, you can fit a little bit more fingers than what you'd be able to do over here in the front, but the car looks a whole lot better now. It's definitely a night and day difference from stock because now she has some real wheels and some coilovers, so the car's looking good. I don't know what she has planned, but we can ask her real quick.
No, we're just gonna wait.
We're gonna wait and see?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more content about that car right there, this thing, and maybe her other car.
Maybe.
And hopefully some future projects if you guys keep on supporting us. Please leave a like and comment. I'll definitely read all your comments and try to get back to as many of you as I can. And don't forget to be lazy. Guys, the Acura Legend, the 93, so on and so forth.
No, baby, please go ahead. What? You got made in a video?
What am I doing?
I don't know. I'm already recording, so
Oh, thank you.
do whatever you like.
I'll
Subscribe.
Bubba, you tell him. Nothing.